Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best metal headboards that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Doral Living Metal Headboard. The Doral Living Metal Headboard is constructed out of a heavy-duty metal material that offers you maximum Doral Living Metal Headboard durability so you can enjoy the item for years to come. This metal headboard comes with an antique white nickel finish that will blend in well with most room themes and decor while presenting a strikingly simple profile that elevates the room's aesthetics. Its minimalist appearance goes well with a contemporary room setup. It comes with an adjustable height setting, giving you the freedom to choose the height you want according to your comfort level and personal preference. This product does not include a bed frame and mattress, which should both be purchased separately. Size. This is a twin-sized headboard that can accommodate a bed frame and mattress of the same size. Design. This headboard features 8 spindles with varying lengths that work to enhance the clean, minimalist lines of this item. The vertical lines of the spindles add to the illusion of a generously spaced room, which makes this ideal for limited spaces. It is also equipped with decorative finials that add a touch of elegance to this headboard. The white antique finish easily blends in with the rest of the decor and furniture in your bedroom. The dimensions of this metal headboard are 38.5 inches by 49.2 inches by 2.5 inches (HXLXW). This product comes with an assembly manual that gives you all the information you need to set up the headboard conveniently and easily. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Modway Serena Rustic Farmhouse Style Steel Metal Headboard. The Modway Serena Rustic Farmhouse Style Steel Metal Headboard is constructed with stainless steel that ensures Modway Serena Rustic Farmhouse Style Steel Metal Headboard you will have a reliable, sturdy headboard to enjoy for years to come. This metal headboard comes with a distinctively clean silhouette that will offer an interesting accent to any room, at the same time merges beautifully with the decor and furniture in your space. It comes with a powder-coated stainless steel frame that protects the entire product and enhances its overall strength and durability. The reinforced ladder beam is also powder-coated to give it superior strength to last through years of daily use. The bottom part of this item is equipped with non-marking caps to keep your floors protected from scuffs and scratches that can result from frequent movement. The stainless steel frame takes on an antique vibe with a rustic design that will look perfect with themes such as cottage style, modern farmhouse, traditional or contemporary. Its simple design complements any room decor, which makes it flexible enough to be placed in kids' rooms, guest rooms, or any space where additional sleeping space may be needed, along with the corresponding bed frame. The style evokes a nostalgic feeling, making it ideal as an integral part of a cozy room aesthetic. The dimensions of this headboard are 40.5 inches by 57 inches by 2 inches (HXWXL). This product comes with a pack of hardware that contains all the things you need to be able to assemble the headboard efficiently and in the quickest manner possible. At number 3, we have the Leggett and Platt Sycamore Metal Headboard Panel. The Leggett and Platt Sycamore Metal Headboard Panel is constructed with carbon steel that gives you the benefits of a Leggett and Platt Sycamore Metal Headboard Panel, sturdy product you rely on for years to come. This metal headboard comes with a hammered copper finish that adds a fascinating and warm aesthetic to your bed. Its design is simple yet elegant enough to elevate the look of your bedroom, at the same time merging effortlessly with the rest of your furniture and decor. It comes with a 10-year limited warranty that protects it from manufacturer's defects. This product comes in a queen size that can be matched with a bed frame and mattress with a similar size. This headboard features straight spindles for a classically familiar design that also works to make the space in and around your bed even roomier. It comes with a flowing leaf pattern that evokes a feeling of fluid movement, with the leaves seemingly dancing in an unseen wind. It features an arched top rail that curves upwards in the middle and then smoothly curves downward to the sides. The finials topping the posts come with minimalist designs that enhance the overall elegance of the headboard while lending it a sturdy appearance. This metal headboard's dimensions are 50 inches by 62 inches by 1.5 inches (HXWXL). This headboard comes with an instruction sheet that will guide you efficiently setting up the product without too much hassle. It also includes a hardware bag that contains all the tools you need to assemble the bag successfully so you can enjoy using it as soon as possible. At number 2, we have the Zionists Viola Modern Studio Upholstered Metal Headboard. The Zionists Viola Modern Studio Upholstered Metal Headboard is constructed with a steel metal framework that Zionists Viola Modern Studio Upholstered Metal Headboard provides the strength and durability you are looking for in a well-made headboard. This metal headboard comes in a classic style and silhouette which will blend beautifully with your bedroom decor and the rest of your furniture. The well-made steel framework is combined with foam padded upholstery that elevates the luxe vibe and overall functionality of this headboard. It is equipped with a non-corrosive frame that ensures your headboard is protected from rust even after years of usage. The padded upholstery offers enhanced comfort as you lean on this surface while sitting on the bed, as you read, or while watching TV. This headboard can easily be attached to your existing bed frame within minutes. This product does not come with a bed frame, which should be bought separately. It is backed by a 5-year limited warranty that protects the item from manufacturing flaws. This metal headboard comes in a full or queen size. The front part of this metal headboard features thick foam padding in gray twill. This padded upholstery complements the overall look of the headboard, elevating the elegance and luxe vibe for the space in and around your bed. The rich black finish will blend in beautifully with the rest of your room decor and furniture. The dimensions of this metal headboard are 48 inches by 60.60 inches by 2 inches (HXLXW). This product includes all the hardware you need to be able to assemble the headboard without any difficulties and in the quickest manner possible. And finally at number 1, we have the Leggett and Platt Lucinda metal headboard panel. The Leggett and Platt Lucinda metal headboard panel is constructed from a heavy-duty carbon steel material which Leggett and Platt Lucinda metal headboard panel ensures that you will get to enjoy the most out of this product for a long time. This metal headboard comes with a 6-step marbled russet finish that gives this product a stunning yet understated hue, which will surely be the highlight of your bedroom. The appearance of this headboard is meant to offer an ornamental accent in the room but will not clash with the rest of the furniture or decor. There is no bed frame included with this metal headboard and should be purchased separately. It is backed with a 10-year limited warranty that offers protection against manufacturing flaws. This item comes in a queen size which will perfectly complement a similarly sized bed frame. The top rail of this metal headboard features a hint of a sleigh design which adds to the overall interesting profile of this item. An elaborate scrollwork design adds a hint of romance and drama to this product, elevating its profile into an unforgettable presence in your bedroom. The castings come with soft golden highlights that beautifully shimmer against the backdrop of the marbled russet finish. The dimensions of this metal headboard are 55 inches by 62.5 inches by 4 inches (HXWXL). This product comes with an instruction sheet that enumerates the steps you need to do to successfully assemble the headboard. It also comes with a hardware bag with all the things you need for the convenient assembly of this product. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.